Hi! Hello!
Win.
Maybe again. First, gusto nyo pasalamat ng behalf sa buong family sa inyong pag-attend ng short notice. Thank you sa effort. Especially sa, of course, sa mga classmates, sa mga dear friends, and of course, sa mga family. Although, mula gusto ng panahon, tungkol sa pandemic karon, and yet, we succeeded. So, thank you, Lord. Kay, syempre, without Him, wala ang tanan. So, a message for my daughter, of course. As a daughter, Angel is very predictive. I mean, first hour, pagmata, 11:30 a.m., pagmata ni Angel, mag-kusina. Yan, tanong na, check na siya sa breakfast or lunch, siguro na time. Pag wala niyang sutan, magluto na sa iyaha. So, maghuman, magkaon sa kwarto. An hour after, sa parang gawas, magkaon sa Europe. Wala niyang routine. As a daughter, very, very sweet. With regards sa expectations, although hindi naman perfect, pero I will say Angel is a perfect daughter for us. Actually, very early stages of life ni Cheryl when I was Angel. We were a teenager back then. So, although dili tanan natagang chance na maka-recover, and yet, through the help sa mong family, naka-survive din ni Cheryl. As a student at that time, I am not quite strict, but I am what we call this man enough of word kay dinugod ta ng opportunity mahatag sa tuwa, especially pag napunta sa teenage years. So blessed lang ni Shelo kay namin parents at family yung back up suma, pero I'm telling you it's not that easy. So muna si Angel, well protected of course. Siyempre, nagyan naman ako sa wars. So, as a father, no need naman ipafeel sa mga anak. But, you know, as I've said kanina, if there is someone out there, that brave enough, as a person, okay lang man, walang problema. Walang problema. Report lang dito sa buwan, ako isa ka-team nga, report lang, very simple gesture. Anyway, joke na. Ang samuha lang, wala problema sa love, wala problema sa love life. As long as just dream first. I mean, love can wait. I mean, love can do things right, but there's a proper time and a proper place. So, you can give anything, of course, if you don't have any. So, what is it? Love yourself first before loving others. So, for my Excel, of course, love. I love you, and you know that I will always do. I will protect you with all my heart and life. And thank you for being my daughter. And you are second best to me. Love you, ate. And for the future boyfriend, no problem. You know my quality. Dapat mas buutan ka sa buwan, dapat mas loyal, dapat mas good looking, dapat mas bright. Walang to, and salamat again sa nag-attend, salamat sa ni Adto, salamat sa tanan, itong isa-isa, and especially sa mga girls, salamat. I mean, happy kayo nakita ito mo, I mean, you're young, fine lady na. So, God bless sa inyong future, and basta, do the best in life. Life is very short, kaya to be stressed. God bless, and maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ronald Pumbo, the loving father of our debutant. Thank you for her nice message, sir.